Make sure to follow my Snapchat account and my Instagram. They're linked down below.
They actually are.
Look at how cute that's on. Look how cute I look.
Now you guys don't need to follow her Instagram. And anyways, we're gonna go grocery shopping. We left Haley with Teddy, and so we are headed now to get groceries.
Oh, you're so boring.
Not sponsored by Mountain Dew.
You're so boring. Let's go.
Alright, whoa. Okay guys, so we left the supermarket a long time ago, and now we left again, and we are buying fireworks, which we never do, but we're gonna try the sparklers for Haley. So let's check those out, right?
Yep.
So there it is. Alrighty guys, so we got our sparklers for Haley. Nancy wanted to get more stuff, but I'm like, Haley's scared of fireworks. Let's not even try. Let's start her small, and then we'll see. She'll probably freak out. I'm guessing she's gonna freak out. She will.
Well, that's why I only wanted to buy one pack.
So she's gonna freak out. Anyways, it was like buy one, get another one. And so we got 2 packs of sparklers, right?
Yeah.
Alright, get in there. Alright, let's go light them up. Just kidding, not till later.
Yeah.
So these are sparklers. All we do is we light them up, and then they're gonna glow. They're gonna sparkle. Alrighty, boys and girls. So I don't know if you could hear that in the background, but it is 4th of July, and it is dark, and people are blowing up stuff. So we are here, and we are about to get crazy. Are you excited, Haley? Whoa.
are still doing fireworks. We're actually not doing real fireworks. We're just doing sparklers and doing little, I don't know what they're called. They make noise, see? Haley, you want to do more? These are amazing. Because it gives you the effect that you're really doing it. Here, Haley. Wow, Renee is droning. You want to do it again? Here, let me give you some more. Here, let me give them to Teddy. So he could give to you. Teddy. So anyways, we are here chilling. It's late. But the sun just went down. Renee's droning. But I gotta go to work tomorrow. So, sucks for that because it's Wednesday. So that sucks. But we're having a good 4th of July. Hot pooks.
Yep.
Woo!
Yeah.
Right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. They ignore me. Haley's enjoying it. This is the first 4th of July. She's not crying. Woo! Progress.
Oh. You have to step on it over here. Right there.
Step on it. There you go. Come on! I just need one nice picture. Ready? What do you guys?
You should have brought a pillow.
I know.
I want a pillow.
Great idea, Teddy.
Huh?
Making a pillow.
A blanket and a pillow?
Yeah.
Do you want a bed too?
So that would be perfect.
Yeah.
Next year we'll get you guys a hammock.
Are you cold, Haley?
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, we're home from 4th of July. 4th of July is over. The ladies are in bed over there. But this is probably going to be a short vlog. I don't think we recorded too much. We've become very bad vloggers. Anyways, just want to say don't forget to give it a big ol' thumbs up if you like. Oh, I did burn myself also. I don't know if you could see. Focus. Well, I burned myself. I was hoping Haley wouldn't, and it was me. Little burn, nothing crazy, but still, beware of sparklers, guys. So I hope you guys had a fun and safe 4th of July. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and bye!